We are hacking out the slick. Check that out.
Perfect.
Look at that. Yeah, that's built 3DHS tough right there. It's a nice big hunk of stab. See. Here we go. Another cut. Out of the way. Careful.
He's hitting on the elevator. Or the rudder.
Oh. Where's it hitting on the back right here?
Yeah.
Should we take the rudder off? Alright, what are you going to do with that? There's metal in there. Do you care?
Only in the pin, right?
Yeah.
But I'm going to go on the side, right?
Yeah. Hey, we'll sign off it for now, eh?